Is there a Python equivalent to Ruby's string interpolation? Ruby example. The successful Python string concatenation is seemingly verbose to me.
Python 3.6 will add literal string interpolation similar to Ruby's string interpolation. Starting with that version of Python, which is scheduled to be released by the end of 2016, you will be able to include expressions in f-strings, for example. Prior to 3.6, the closest you can get to this is the % operator can be used for string interpolation in Python. The first operand is the string to be interpolated, the second can have different types including a mapping field names to the values to be interpolated. Here I used the dictionary of local variables locals to map the field name to its value as a local variable. The same code using the .format method of recent Python versions would look like this. There is also the string.template class.
Since Python 2.6.x you might want to use
I've developed the interp package that enables string interpolation in Python. Just install it via pip install interp, and then add the line hash coding column interp at the beginning of your files. Example.
Python string interpolation is similar to C's printf. If you try the tag %s will be replaced with the name variable. You should take a look to the print function tags, this URL.